Hello friends, Fariba here from Watch Knitting YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work the zigzag rib stitch. This is the back view, and this is super stretchy and airy kind of rib stitch. I'm going to show you how to work on flat, and later I will show you how to adapt it for in the round working. For this stitch pattern, you need to cast on a multiple of 2 stitches, so any even number will work, and it's gonna be completed in just 2 rows. Here I have cast on 10 stitches. I'm using 3.5 millimeter needles and worsted weight yarn. For the yarn, it's better you choose the yarn that doesn't split easily. For edge stitches, you can keep your edge stitches. I'm gonna keep mine. I'm gonna pick up the first stitch and knit the last stitch, or you can start directly from the beginning. And we're gonna start from the cast on edge here. No need to work any base rows. For this stitch for row 1, because this is my very first row, I'm gonna knit my edge stitch here. For the following rows, I will easily just slip the first stitch. For this stitch, you need to work through the back loops. We're gonna always work over 2 stitches. You're gonna work the second stitch first and then first stitch. And you're gonna knit through the back loop. So I insert my right needle into the second stitch through the back loop and knit it. Then before dropping these 2 stitches, you're gonna again go to the first stitch this time and knit it through the back loop. Again here 2 stitches, knit the second stitch first and first stitch later. This is kind of twisting 2 stitches without dropping any of the needle. And it's important to knit through the back loop, otherwise you're not going to get this pattern. This is the way you will get the pattern. You have to work through the back loops. And my last pair here, and I'm gonna knit edge stitch. We completed row 1. Now row 2 is almost the same thing. This time we're gonna work purl stitches. I will pick up my edge stitch here. Again, we're gonna work over 2 stitches. If you look at your stitches, this is the one that is in front, and this is kind of at the back. We're gonna work this stitch first and then the first stitch. I will bring the yarn to the front. This time we're gonna purl without wrapping. It means we're gonna purl Eastern style purling without wrapping the yarn. It's also called reverse purl. I use my fingertips to separate 2 stitches to work. Again here, you don't have to work this way, otherwise your pattern will not show same as mine. So you have to purl, reverse purl the second stitch first, then I bring my fingertip to between the space of these 2 stitches. Just bring this yarn forward to the first stitch and purl it. And this is almost my end of row. I have only 2 stitches left here. and I knit my edge stitch. So we completed the pattern here. I'm gonna work couple rows and then it will be more clear for you guys. Okay, now I worked couple rows and the pattern shows much better. Now I will show you how to work this pattern in the round because you need to adopt your stitches. Uh, your stitch number would stay the same. You need to cast on a multiple of 2 stitches, so it's the same. Also, row 1 is exactly as what we worked in flat version. Here, I'm in row 1 here. Then I will switch to the second row and I will show you how to work the second round, I mean. Same as before for round 1, I'm gonna knit the second stitch through the back loop and then knit the first stitch through the back loop, and you pay attention that I put my fingertip here and that makes it easier to knit the second stitch. Again here, and my last pair here. Now I will work round 2. For round 2, to get this pattern, you're gonna work through the front loop. However, you need to switch these 2 stitches by twisting them. So I'm gonna transfer 2 stitches to my right needle. Then I will grab the first stitch from the back and drop the first stitch, but I'm pulling this fabric over here. I'm pushing these stitches here. So I get my drop the stitch to my right needle again and place it back to the left needle. Now they are switched. Now I'm gonna knit through the front loop as you normally knit these 2 stitches. So the 2 things that we're gonna do, we're gonna switch these 2 stitches. So this one is always on top. As you can see, this is the V shape here. This is the front stitch. Now it's to the left side, and this is kind of back stitch, and it's on the right side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna transfer both stitches to the left, to the right needle. Then I will grab the first stitch from the back and kind of we cross these 2 stitches. I drop the second stitch, now I pick it up again, and that comes to the right side. And then I knit through the front loop this time. One more time here. I split my stitch. And for knowing which round you are working, you're gonna look at the stitch on top, the one that is showing the V shape on top. If it's on the left side, you're gonna bring it to the rider side. This is round 2 of the pattern. Round 1 is exactly how we worked in flat version. So you just need to adopt your stitches for the uh, second round. And you're gonna get this cute pattern. I hope you guys enjoy my tutorials. If you have any questions, I will be glad to answer them. And stay tuned for more tutorials. Have a wonderful day.